In this video I'm going to show you how to get one word captions, not like this but one word. So first obviously click on text, and then you need to click out on auto captions and click generate, and keep the volume on. And then once it's generated, you see it's like 4 to 5 words. So all you need to do is click on animation, then click on captions, and then you can select one of these because it's going to be one word. Or the harder part is just to click on captions and manually go to the word and just click enter and enter. But it's really hard, so I just suggest clicking the screen. And yeah, you can now play around like this, and now it's one word captions, just like
when someone.
My bad. And just click
5 times.
Now it's everything like
Be
this.
quiet.
I hope this video has helped you. Have a great day.